My people, I know some of you when you hear these very words from Nnamdi Kanu concerning Simon Ekpa and things that are meant to happen, you will be very shocked. You will have a goosebump. You will actually cry listening to this. This video have been my custody for a while. I decided to leave it, but the way things are going in the country now caused me in order to post this video so that people can actually make decisions based on what they hear and what they see. Please be careful, and let's just listen to this with good hearts. I know some of you, when you listen to this video and listen to what's been said in this video, it's very short video, but when you listen to this, you will have a goosebump in your body. You will have Nnamdi Kanu speak from his heart. This video, according to the person that gave it to me, this conference happened a few weeks before Nnamdi Kanu.
Say that this is not the end. Asia Pacific is ready. The World Igbo Congress gingered us to mobilize, and that mobilization is happening, and it's happening really, really good. So we want to say now, from this moment, we want to hear. We really want to.
In World Igbo Congress, and also Mazi Simon Ekpa, who has spoken so eloquently that I'm even now struggling for what to say, because he has touched and covered everything that I had intended to talk about. One thing we must bear in mind is, as Simon Ekpa alluded to, this warning has been sounding for a very long time. It is quite poignant that I am here in the United States of America, where I came to many, many years ago to find our people of this impending danger. If you occupy any socio-economic or political space with the Fulani, they will sooner rather than later come after you. It is in their DNA, it is in their blood. Sometimes when I pray, I ask God, do you intend to diminish and remove your people from the surface of this very planet Earth? Because only people who are marked for destruction will ever contemplate to share the same political space with people who are known for their expansionist tendencies. That is why all of us, almost all of us, are as successful as we are in Australia and also in the United States of America, and especially in the Northern Hemisphere. Now what we need to do is to put into good use that very blessing that God Almighty have bestowed upon us. And it is support, not once, not twice, continuous and consistent support until we get our freedom. Without freedom, we are gone. Without freedom, we are finished. Without freedom, there will be no home for any of us. Without freedom, we will remain in exile forever and ever. Therefore, I urge each and every one of you, not just within your places of abode and residence, but to extend the need for this very message to be heard right across the surface of this very planet Earth. Because everybody is needed on this very march to freedom, and without it, without this freedom that we are seeking for, we are gone. But we are not going to allow that to happen. As you all can see, we have started a very important and critical process in the recovery of our land, and more importantly, our essence as a race and as a people. And that is not going to stop. What we need now is your help and your support. Thank you very much.
So guys, but I have the person have given me this video. I'm kind of like very emotional not to post this video, but because I saw what is going on in the Biafra land and in the side of East, and how a lot of things are going, even those that are very hypocritic, and those that those that have something to say and those that don't have something to say. The way they tackle Simon, the way Simon tackled them, the way lives are lost. I decided I have to show you guys this video, and you guys listen to what Nnamdi Kanu said here, and you make your judgment. You see if what Simon Ekpa is doing is good or what he's doing is not good. He, Nnamdi Kanu, is a very nice man that have actually won Nigeria ahead of time. That what is coming is something that he can't even control. Nigerian government could not understand that they took it wrongly with him and start dealing with him. But Nnamdi Kanu also have a very big goal for his people. What he actually wants. He actually just to many people in the foreign country and told them to get ready and to support that people will get independent. He actually said sharing the position with these people is very hard for him. It's very difficult. Now, we ask yourself, is Simon doing the right thing? Why don't you guide him to the right way and let them do the right thing, and so that this thing will stop once and for all? Is election the case? Is election the issue? Even when you have election, this will continue to happen. So why can't they unite and fight the common cause than going around, beating around the bush? This is something I have been calling United Nations, EU, USA, UK, all human rights and those that concern for humanity to step into this and put this to stop so that people may make choice. People make conscious choice. You know, in marriage, if marriage is not working, you have to divorce or you give them counseling. Here, Biafra and Nigeria have not gotten counsel or going to divorce court before. So they keep fighting. You can't leave two couples who always see each other as a rival to stay together. There must be something going either to counsel them or for them to negotiate or for them to go their separate path. This is what my own view. Okay? So when you listen to Nnamdi Kanu himself in this video, man, you will make your own judgment. It's very touchy. It's very touchy. When I listen to it, my body has goosebumps.